My fans, you see this place where you come to come watch my video. Maybe everybody then they follow. But for page like this where we say they give you solutions to most of the physics problem where they get mathematics and chemistry. When you see them, the first three things we go do first, follow my instruction. No. Go see where you see subscribe. Hit the subscribe. If you never do, I'm just hit the subscribe first. Not just subscribe, promote. You never finish. Just close to that subscribe, you go see something will be like bell. Click that particular bell. Then you go see options will come out, select all. You go see why they select all, so that anytime when I post video, you go receive notification say I don't post to. If I go live, you will come see them. So they will come join, come learn. You understand? So the second thing you go do is say you go see that thumbs up, like them, because I will explain everything down. When you don't like and finish, the last thing we go do now, you go drop small comments, say this video go well, you like them more, and then tell me I'll do more, the one where they worry you. I go do them. Then finally fish share them. Share them, go group chat. We have people with the prepare for JAMB 2025. The WAEC. This question go dey useful to all of us. Make we solve another time no dey. You know say channel they give plenty time. So solution. I want to get this answer. You just come they tell you say a machine. You go ask yourself which topic where this thing come from. Now simple machine for physics. They say a machine whose efficiency is 60%. Just write efficiency. Efficiency equal to 60%. No waste time. Just they bring out everything where they give you. They call them parameter. Fetch all of them come out. When they fetch all of them come out, then find formula will connect them. It's simple. Efficiency, they don't give you saying at 60%. How's the velocity ratio? Use symbol. Don't go write everything in full. You don't get that time. Velocity ratio is 5. You see, I'm so very simple. If a force of 500 Newton, they don't tell you say force. If I be only you, I will just write force equal to 500 Newton. But you know, say for this topic, you get some kind of other parameter we need to know the name, like effort, load, and the rest of that. If you know use force, another way they write force for this place now effort. Another name we they use for force now effort. E. See this spelling now. They call something just they look me like that. Effort. Effort they measure for Newton. Load they measure for Newton. Force they measure for Newton. If weight they to weight to now for Newton. So yeah. Effort, they don't tell you say force will be the same thing as effort. They say now 500 Newton. You don't finish with that one. It's just that they break everything down small so that you no go lose road, you no go miss road. Is applied to lift a load P. That means load now. Our load where we know normally say na L. Load where we know say normal L. For here they say na P. If they say na P, no problem now. They say what is the magnitude of P? Now load 9 be the P where they talk about though. You see, they be one confused. Is what is the magnitude of P? You come begin to struggle. Wait till come be P for this. Now P manage come here, my fans. Now P now load with that too. Load maybe L. They say maybe we use P this time. No wahala. They use P for the load. And now what you want to find? How you want to find this one very simple? You will say, okay, since they talk about simple machine and they don't call efficiency, they don't call mechanical advantage. They don't call that one. No, I don't even give you a expo. That means you will put the formula. Say, I better remember say again one formula. Say efficiency. Efficiency is equal to mechanical advantage. Use symbol so that you go quick. All over velocity ratio times 100%. I remember that formula. And that formula go, but the problem is, say, sir, as they no can give you mechanical advantage, I won't come take no the one where I want to take on solve this problem. No worry yourself now. Should be me and you there. And you don't like the video by this time. If you never like and I go break everything down. Share this video and subscribe to the channel if you never do. I beg. Thank you. I beg. Oh yeah, now make we finish. Me, I know say no stubborn. Do I beg. Do quick. Oh yeah, make we finish. Efficiency. Ask yourself. They don't give you efficiency for this question. Answer me now. No, they not dead. Answer me. My yeah voice. They don't give efficiency for the question. So what will be the value? 60%. Anyway, say efficiency carry 60% put. I beg, no just write 60 and leave the percentage. I want to teach you waiting other teacher no go remember tell you. Say how this percentage, how I want to take this one percentage just for every. I will teach you no. Yeah, you go take no. Equal to mechanical advantage and give them. They don't even mention the name. Yeah, just come write and the way it dey. No go delete them. Delete them, you go get problem. Velocity ratio velocity ratio don't give us 5. No go the question again because it don't bring everything. We define which one will go right for this option, and now you go use your hand put our comment section. Velocity ratio they say na 5, put 5 here times this 100%, no touch them. But if you like, for the 100%, 2 ways if you do this thing now. If you say 100%, 100% is always 100 divided by 100 now. So if you say 100 divided 100 will be 1, that one for don't vanish, come out. If you don't like that one, if you still say, okay, since this one na left hand side equating the one with the right hand side, things here I fit cancel this one. I go lie for you. Now math now make I say if you know sabi math, you know if you do physics well. As this one dey equal to this one, things here I fit dey cancel things for the other side for real life. I fit even say divide both side by 100%, divide both side by 100%. If I even do am, you go say this percentage wey I wan cancel here, still cancel here. If I divide both side by 100%, 100% there, percentage still fit cancel. Even this 0 wey I say make I reduce am with this 0, I fit still do am. You get the point now. Everything don dey clear, abi? E dey do am because as they no dey give me use calculator, na except the one wey dey system if you use, you no get the time to go dey find calculator, just reduce. But if I begin dey multiply this big number, the answer go dey, the value go dey big, e go confuse you. So as I don cancel am, wetin come remain? 5 dey here, 5 dey down, 10 dey here. Shebi 5 and 10 fit cancel now. If 5 go into itself 1, abeg how many 5 dey inside 10? How many times 5 fit go inside 10? Abeg tell me now, abeg, I don forget. How many? 2 times. You sabi book o. 2 times. So if 5 go into itself 1, e go into 10, how many times? 2 times. Mark, wetin remain here na 6 equal to mechanical advantage times wetin remain here na 2. I fit divide both side by 2. I fit still say, okay, since this one dey cancel this one from time, 2 go into itself how many times? 1. If e go into 6, how many times? If 2 go into 6, how many times? 3 times. Put the 3 here. You see say nothing to cancel now. This one no fit cancel. Therefore, mechanical advantage is equal to 3. Some people go rush go option now, say, okay, maybe we go find where 3 dey. So when you JAMB come put 3 here, now me say go rush go tick 3. Say na why you want to do like that? No do like that. Abeg, make we finish this question. No do like that, abeg. Remember, say no be mechanical advantage wey dey say make you find. Wetin dey say make you find na the load. Na the load dey say make you find. They come say the symbol na P, no problem. Because how one can take a find load now? The formula don't finish now. The mechanical advantage get one formula. Even though in the inside efficiency, he himself get one formula. Wait till mechanical. Mechanical advantage. Make a rest tell you this one. Mechanical advantage is equal to load over effort. That be the formula. Very simple. Load over effort. Now, mechanical advantage now. Wetin they say to be your load? They say may you use P to represent your load. I go write P, no problem, over E, will be effort. Which I don't tell you, say first, the same thing as effort, maybe 500. You don't get this mechanical advantage as 3. Is this a life? Not simple. So anyway, I see mechanical advantage, just put 3 equal to P, you know, get an which they find. All over this guy, they say na 500, put 500 here. Some of you go say, okay, cross multiply, make it over 1, cross multiply, so that 1 go multiply P, this one, no problem, do it like that. But me, I know if you do it like that. But now the same thing, no. As 500 is down, I want to remove this 500, make P only remain. How I want to take remove 500? I will just multiply both sides of the equation by 500. Multiply both sides by 500. So that 500 if you come out this 500, remaining only P. I say therefore P equal to 500 times 3. Calculator no their first rush say 3 times 5 will give me 15. 3 times 0, 0. 3 times 0, 0. This guy load na Newton, na be the unit. 1,500. That be the answer. So I break everything down step by step. I no jump. I no skip anything. No. So if you know say you happy with the way I do this video, I beg. The only thing you will do for me, na man support man now. Subscribe if you never subscribe. Like the video if you never like the video. Comment. Just drop sweet comments. I mean, I like sweet thing too. Tell me how the thing feel for you, and tell me the one you go like make I do for you, and share the video. Where they share and go? Your page now, and people that's those groups that say, "Come see, oh bro, come see this guy. I still take break this scene, oh." Then check my page, so you go see other video for people who want write JAMB. Me, I go dey post more. I don't give up on you. You see this one, if you know hit 490, I no go rest. Oh yeah, share this video now. Anyhow now, peace and love. You will relate.